Today, I am reviewing the Ecovacs DEEBOT X12 robot vacuum. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. To truly understand why this model stands out, we have to look closely at its headline mopping feature, which changes the game entirely for automated floor washing. Most robot mops on the market use standard flat pads that essentially drag a damp, increasingly dirty cloth across your hard floors, which can lead to streaks and cross-contamination. Ecovacs tackles this issue by using their advanced OZMO Roller 3.0 system. Instead of a flat pad, the X12 features a high-speed rotating roller mop that constantly refreshes itself with clean water from its internal system while simultaneously extracting the dirty water as it moves. This ensures that the machine is always applying a fresh, clean surface to your tile, laminate, or hardwood floors. But what really sets this machine apart from almost anything else available right now is its FocusJet stain pretreatment technology. If you have ever owned a robot vacuum, you know they typically struggle with dried-on, sticky messes like kitchen spills, muddy paw prints, or dried coffee drops. With the X12, you can actually mark specific high-traffic dirty zones directly inside the companion app. When the robot arrives at these problem areas, it utilizes its dual high-pressure FocusJet nozzles to pre-spray a targeted mist of water and cleaning solution directly onto the floor. By pre-soaking and softening the hardened grime before the heavy-duty roller arrives to scrub it away, the machine achieves a level of stain removal that traditional robot mops simply cannot replicate. When the robot encounters mixed flooring, you do not have to worry about your expensive rugs getting ruined either. The X12 features a highly sophisticated carpet protection system called Auto Shield. The moment its sensors detect a carpeted surface, the rotating roller mop automatically lifts up by 15 millimeters and a specialized physical protective shield deploys over the roller. This creates a complete seal that isolates the wet components entirely, ensuring zero wetting and zero cross-contamination so your carpets stay perfectly bone-dry, while the vacuum takes care of the dust. Transitioning to vacuuming performance, this unit boasts an absolute monster specification with its blast suction system, delivering up to 22,000 pascals of suction power combined with an airflow rate of 22 liters per second. This level of raw power ensures incredible deep cleaning pickup across both hard floors and deep carpets, pulling up embedded fine dust, crumbs, heavy debris, and pet hair with absolute ease. For pet owners who dread cleaning out tangled roller brushes every single week, the integration of ZeroTangle 4.0 technology is a massive relief. The system uses a specialized brush design alongside structural airflow channels that actively guide pet hair and long strands straight into the suction path, drastically reducing brush wrap and saving you from tedious manual maintenance. All of this dirt and wastewater goes back to the massive, newly designed OMNICYCLONE station, which introduces a welcome change for budget-conscious owners by going completely bagless. Traditional auto-empty stations require you to constantly buy proprietary disposable paper dust bags, which adds up to a significant recurring cost over time. The OMNICYCLONE station uses advanced cyclonic separation to dump the robot's onboard dust bin directly into a large, transparent, multi-use plastic canister that you can easily empty straight into the trash with a built-in plunger mechanism. The station also handles the automated roller washing, utilizing pressurized heated water jets and an active cleaning plate to rinse out the roller, while an efficient air pump extracts the dirty water into a separate storage tank to prevent unpleasant odors. For large multi-level homes, the X12 is equipped with Power Boost.
Fast charging.
Instead of waiting hours at the dock to finish a job, the station rapidly pumps juice back into the electric vehicle-grade battery during standard maintenance stops, allowing the unit to efficiently cover massive floor plans with minimal downtime. Navigation is handled flawlessly by an advanced AIVI 3D 4.0 artificial intelligence system. Combined with embedded LiDAR, the robot maps your home incredibly fast and accurately detects everyday obstacles like loose charging cables, stray shoes, clothing, toys, and pets in real time, steering smoothly around them without getting stuck or aggressively bumping into furniture. You can control the entire experience using the robust smartphone app or by speaking directly to the machine via its built-in Eco voice assistant, which allows you to start, pause, or target specific rooms completely hands-free, though keep in mind it supports 2.4 GHz wireless networks only. Ultimately, the Ecovacs DEEBOT X12 OMNICYCLONE represents a monumental leap forward in automated home maintenance. By combining massive vacuum suction, a self-washing roller mop that avoids cross-contamination, a truly innovative pre-spray stain treatment, and a cost-saving bagless station, it effectively solves the biggest headaches associated with traditional robot cleaners. If you want a top-tier premium appliance that drastically reduces your weekly chores, this feature-packed machine delivers an exceptional, highly independent cleaning performance that makes it a standout choice for your home layout.